Airbiquity provides software solutions for connected vehicles, and we're showing here our OTAmatic product, which provides over-the-air software and data collection from the vehicle. And we've partnered with Renesas today to be able to show our software working on the R-Car gateways to be able to update the high-resolution map data for the autonomous vehicles. So we have some software that sits here on this Renesas R-Car unit. This acts as the connected gateway. So this manages all of the software updates that get downloaded and then sends it to the second ECU, which is another R-Car unit, but this one actually contains all of the maps. So this is the map server, and it has all of the high-resolution map data used for this autonomous vehicle. And on the back end, our server coordinates all of that. So through our web portal, Renesas is able to create software campaigns to deploy new maps. And what happens is our software in the vehicle will check with the back end to see when there's a software update available and then deliver it to the vehicle. And we will, through PKI and certificate checks and security management, will check and make sure it's an authentic package and make sure that it's downloaded intact, and then we'll provide it to the ECU to update. So this is a portable vehicle, if you will, and we've got a simulation that will start with the HMI here in the vehicle. So it shows a car driving along a road, and what happens is, if I press this one trigger, it represents the car's camera detecting on the road something that doesn't match the map database. So it may be construction, a speed limit, something that doesn't match. That triggers our software to check with the back end to see if there's an update. And indeed, it says there is an update suggested, so we'll go ahead and update it now. And that's when we'll download the software here and then start the installation process on the map server ECU. So once that's completed, then the vehicle has the latest maps. Now how we can check that is, you can see right now the update's been loaded. So if we initiate manually a fault problem with the vehicle, you can see it pulled off to the side of the road, and again it checks with the database, and this time it returned that there's no map updates available, so it has the latest information. And in the meantime, what you see here, a dashboard that shows the status of the software updates that are being delivered to the vehicle. And we can go in and see specifically the number of updates that have been done for this demonstration unit. So over CES, you can see we've done quite a few demos, and it keeps track real time of what happens. You can also go to the campaign manager to be able to create campaigns to release software updates to the vehicle. And you can see there's a lot of comprehensive settings that can be chosen. And then under the data management side, you can do the same thing and configure what type of data you want to collect from the vehicle, and then we'll report all of the data that's been gathered here on this dashboard. You can also go in and look at any particular vehicle in a fleet and find out the status of the software updates in that car. So if you want to see if it's up to date or not, in this case it is up to date. It shows the history of the software updates. So the unique collaboration that we're demonstrating here between Airbiquity and Renesas is Airbiquity's ability to securely, safely, and automatically deliver software updates and collect data from the vehicle using Renesas's platform that's specific for automotive, and also taking advantage of the unique security features and the powerful processing capabilities of the vehicle to be able to show doing incremental map updates for the high-resolution map specifically to enable autonomous vehicles.